Hello class 5 students, this is very really happy to see you all. Welcome back to all our online classes. And beside this, I really appreciate you all, your effort for your studies during this epidemic. Students, today we will continue the earlier chapter we have left. Now let us see chapter number 1. As students, today we will read about reproductions from roots. Now see, mm, follow in your book page number 14 of your chapter 1. Now see reproduction from roots. Sweet potato, carrot and radish are roots that have been modified to store food. When replanted, these roots grow into new plants. See the figure given below. How the sweet potato, carrot, radish is being reproduced. Now we will read about the crops and its vegetations. Plants that grow in a large quantity to provide food and other useful substances are called crops. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purpose is known as agriculture. India is famous for agriculture. The largest agriculture is grown in India. Now, different crops are grown in different season. In India, crops that are grown in the summer seasons are called kharif crop. As students, you all know that the crops grown in summer season is known as kharif crop. And see the examples given here: jute, peanut, millets, maize and pulses. Rice and jowar and bajra are also come in the category of kharif crops, and these are grown in summer season. Now come to page number 15. Crops that are grown in winter are called rabi crops. Wheat and gram are rabi crops. Radish, turnip, carrot, peas, mustard, cauliflower, cabbage and beans are all the vegetables that grow well in winters. Apple, banana and pomegranates are fruits that are grown in the winter season. And different plants not only grow in different climates and different seasons, but they grow different kinds of soil. If we know the condition that are suitable for the germination of seeds, we can grow better crops. Rice and jute grow in clay soil. As you all know that students, different crops need different types of soil for their fertility and for their good reproduction. Like some of the soil needs clay soil, like rice and jute grows in clay soil which holds plenty of water, because rice needs lots of water for growth. This is why more rice is grown in and around West Bengal. As you all know that West Bengal received the most of the rainfall is received by West Bengal, that is why rice is grown there. Now on the other hand, wheat is grown in the sandy soil. Cotton grows well in the black soil of central and western India. Tea plants need moist soil and grow on the slopes of hilly areas like Assam and Nilgiris and Darjeeling. And coconut trees grows in the coastal areas. Onion and groundnut needs well drained sandy soil. These are some of the types of soil which needs different types of soil for their reproduction and comfort. So this way many crops are distributed in many seasons and as well as in many regions also. Like we found black soil in central western India, so cotton is grown there. And sandy soil, wheat is grown in the sandy soil. So this way every each and every crops survive in their own region. Now see, what we will know, what all are the topics we need to take for a healthy crop. You all know what is healthy crop. As you all know that, as like we are human beings, we need proper care for our healthy life. Proper care, proper nutrients, proper environment, proper atmosphere, uh, then only we can live healthy or and having a good survival. Same thing is with the crops also. Crops need proper care so that they can produce better yields. Here are some tips for growing healthy crops. See the first point, students: use healthy and ripe seeds for sowing. Second point, prepare the soil properly, because how we all prepare the soil properly, like adding good fertilizers, good water. These all provides the proper nutrients to soil. See, third point, seeds should not be planted too close to each other or too deep in the soil. As you all know that what the people do, we should always put gap, a minor gap between the two seeds, so that both the seeds can take breathe easily. Now see the fourth point, advocate amount of water, and water is must for human being as well as for the crops too. Adequate amount of water should be provided at different stages of the growth of plant. You know that water is needed at every stage of the stage till the crop has been not fully grown. Now come to page number 16. Please turn over the pages. Use insecticides and pesticides on crops to keep them free from pests, diseases, and harmful animals. What is insecticides? You all know, insecticide is a chemical which is used to kill insects. To use insecticides and pesticide for the crops, so that crops do not get harmed with insects or pests. Weeding, that is removal of unwanted plants, should be done regularly. Weeding is students something like unwanted plants like grass or many more small plants. They grow under the soil of the crops. They what they do, they loses the fertility of the soil, and this way the whole fertility, crop is not able to take whole fertility. So the weeding should be removed each and every day. Now we will read about the protections of crops and storage of seeds. We need to protect our crops against grazing animals like cows and goats, should pests such as locusts, grasshoppers, and caterpillars, diseases. Bigger animals can be kept away by proper fencing. Fencing is very important, so that that grazing cows and goats do not enter the crops and they do not harm the crops. Now we will read about the storage of harvested crops. What is harvesting? You all know. It is not possible to use or sell the entire harvested crops at one time. Crops have to be stored in a clean place under proper condition. Different agricultural crops need different kinds of storage facility. Fruits and vegetables are usually stored in a large refrigerator rooms called cold storage. Harvesting crops is something like when we cut the crops from the field and bring it to the home for the yields, like for money. When we store all the fruit for selling to the other city, we are not able to sell all the crops in a single time. So we always, what we do, we harvest the crops from the field, and we do keep in the comfortable condition, like fruits and vegetables are kept in a cold storage, and like crops like wheat and rice are kept in a dry place so that it cannot be destroyed. Hope students, you all have understood the chapter, and still you have any kind of problem, please let me know, and please go through the words zone. It's really important, and keynotes are given in this. Now student, we will discuss, and in the earlier videos we have discussed about the exercises. These exercises you must have understood, done also in your books. Now we will come to the question answer. And student, hope you all have done the state true or false. If you still have not done, please do it in your books. I will show you the answers. Go through it, and please, this is your homework. As you all know that I told you in the earlier video, define the following terms. Define the following terms. You have to do it in yourself in your classwork copy. And now we will come to the answer the following questions. We will discuss each and every questions as I have written for you all. Let us go through the question answer. What is seed germination? Now I wrote each and every questions for you all. Just note it down. What is seed germination? Answer: as germination is the process of seeds developing into new plants, and seeds needs air to breathe and water to soften the seed core. This whole process is known as seed germination. Now come to question number 2. What are the conditions necessary for germination? The necessary condition for germination is air, water and warmth. A seed needs air to breathe and water to soften the seed core. And this all answers you all have to write in your classwork copy. Please mind it. Question number 3. What are the stages in seeds grow into plants? The stages in seeds grow into plants. Beta, this answer is given in your given page number 10. I will show you the answer. Please see this page number 10. Answer number 3 is given here. Stages in germination. You all have to write full stages in germination. Question number 4. Why can't all seeds grow into plant? Because some seeds get destroyed due to strong winds or heavy rains, or some do not get right amount of soil, air or water. Question number 5. What is seed dispersal? Answer: the process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plants is called seed dispersal. Question number 6. How are seeds dispersed by winds? Wind, animal and explosion. Answer number 6 is quite big, but it's easy. I made it easy for you all. Seeds dispersed by wind. Seeds that are small in size and light in weight are dispersed by wind. Dispersal by animal is as animals eat fruits like cherries and mangoes and lychees through many places. Dispersal by explosion. The fruits like peas and balsam burst and open when they are ripe. Their seeds pop up are scattered. Now question number 7. Name the parts of the plant other than seeds which help in reproduction. Reproduction from other parts of plants, as besides growing from seeds, new plants also grow from roots, stem and leaves of the parent plant. Students, whatever I have underlined, please underline with the help of your pencils. Question number 8. What are rabi crops? Crops that are grown in winter are called rabi crops. Example, wheat and gram, radish, peas. Question number 9. What are kharif crops? Crops that are grown in the summer season are called kharif crops. Example, maize and pulses. Question number 10. List the points that should be kept in mind while growing a healthy crop. Some tips for growing healthy crops. Use healthy and ripe seeds for sowing. Prepare the soil properly. Adequate amount of water is needed. As students, as you can if you want to add some more points, you can add. Please do complete your work. All the question answers to be written in your classwork copies. Whenever school will be open, I will check your copies. Please do complete your work, and hope you all have understood chapter number 1 easily. And still those who have problem, please let me know, and do complete your work whatever I gave you. Thank you for the day. Have a good day and take care. Please all of you connect with your studies, and purchase your book and complete your work. Take care. Have a good day. Thank you.